So you are looking for a battery and not sure how. Firstly, a few concepts. Amp hour. This measure represents the battery's capacity to store energy. It indicates the amount of current a battery can supply over a specific period. For instance, a 100 amp hour battery can theoretically deliver 20 amps of current for 5 hours. Kilowatt hour. This is a unit of energy that represents the total amount of power consumed or produced over time. Example, a 2 kilowatt load operating for 1 hour will consume 2 kilowatt hours of energy or 2 units. The C rating denotes the battery's charging and discharging capabilities. It indicates the multiple of the battery's capacity in amp hour that can be safely discharged or charged in 1 hour. Depth of discharge. Most batteries are indicated as 80% depth of discharge, meaning they are set to discharge 80% of their capacity to get the benefit of the promised life of the battery. Manufacturers will specify the lifetime of cycles associated with their battery. If battery A has 4,000 cycles and battery B has 10, then you expect battery B to last twice as long when used in a similar manner. Let us, for example, assume you require 4 hours of battery backup power and that your loads on average are 1300 watts. The size of the battery required is therefore 1300 watts multiplied by 4 hours, which is 5200 watt-hours. To compare batteries, let us convert our 5.2 kilowatt-hour battery to amp hours and divide by 48 volts, which gives us a battery capacity of 108 amp hours. Here are a few combinations around the 100 amp hour battery size, assuming we have a 48 volt inverter. Battery A, approximately 48 volt, 100 amp hours. Battery B, approximately 24 volt, 100 amp hours. Get 2 of them to connect in series for a 48 volt battery system. Battery C, approximately 12 volt, 100 amp hours. Get 4 of them for in-series connection. Once you identified all the batteries that fit your specification in terms of capacity, you can consider all other factors. 1. Depth of discharge. The higher percentage, the better. 2. C rating. The higher, the better. 3. Number of cycles. The higher, the better. 4. Warranty period. 5. Local technical support for repairs and swap out. 6. Cost, including wiring costs. Finally, double check that the battery you select can actually communicate with the inverter you choose. Both manufacturers can confirm compatibility. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and forward to others.